Confidence Orom Chinedu. My name is Confidence Orom Chinedu. I'm from Imo State, Umudiku Mobum, Idato local government area. Here is one of my products. I'm the one who manufactured this. Many people will be looking at me. This is my leg, this is my crutches, I'm a disabled or handicap, whatever you can use to address me. People will be looking at me as a beggar. I'm not a beggar. Please, this is my handwork. Here, I will teach you how my technology functions or works. It's a very local technology, and very great and powerful. Now let me start from the back. We have double weight battery, finger battery, and photocom battery being 9 volts, or microphone battery or camera battery. Or your watch. This is the original battery I'm going to give you free of charge. That is how I do around the global. Now, if you like, you can use finger battery. Now, no more depending on one battery like China Touch or NEPA. Or your watch. For your lights to shine, we call it iPass NEPA or Efrene Nwoko, one man light technology. For your light to shine in this plates or your watch, use the big one, the big mouse, on the small mouse. Lock it, your light is shining. Can't you see? Very powerful in darkness. So look at it in the daytime. How much more in the night? Look at it in the daytime. How much more in the night? Very powerful. If you don't want to use the photocom battery, yes, clip it like this. Your light is off. Then you can use finger battery. Here is the finger battery. Here is the finger battery. Now no more depending on one battery like China Touch. If you want the light to increase to be brighter than this, sir, just put the finger battery on it, add the photocom battery, pin it. Now just look at the lights. You know, what do you see? What do you see? It's increased. Now the only thing you can do for me, you that are watching me, I didn't appear to you for you to beg me, but for you to empower me by pre-order one or to call me on my phone to empower me. This light is good for students that love to read in the night. Your mommy in the village, your daddy in the village, your siblings, your kitchen, your rooms, your children's room. I know it's very local and it's very beautiful. Now, it has water resistor or water resistance. You can use it to work in the water in the rainy season. Your light will never stop. Or you watch my experiment. China Touch, if water touches, it will stop. After NEPA, if water touches, it will stop. Watch. This is the water. I just begged from it. Wash it once in a year. That is the product you are seeing. It has water resistance. Water can touch the battery, it will not stop because it has water resistance. You can use it to parade in rainy season. Now, no more buying touch in your house. Every year you are buying touch. Every month you are buying touch. Mommy, daddy, brother, siblings, students, wherever you are, watching me, big and small. The only thing you can do for me, call me on my phone to pre-order one or to sponsor me or to empower me. My phone number is 08060732335. I come again, 08060732335. My name is Confidence Orom Chinedu. I'm from Umudiku Mobum, Idato South Local Government, Imo State. If God touches you to empower me to take me where I'm dreaming, you can contact me through my phone number. I have many things to present to you. I can use soft drink to produce a very powerful power bank that you can never buy in Nigeria. Once the drink runs down, you will charge it in a rating. When you call me, I can show you one of my articles. This is my handwork. God bless you. I come again, 08060732335.
We are calling on the general public to support him. This light is very important. It can be used in rural areas by students who has no access to light for their studies. It could be used in the areas that are not being reached by the light. We're calling upon the good-spirited individuals to come and help and empower the young man by ordering this product in large quantity. He's physically challenged. He doesn't want to base on begging people for alms. He developed all these devices to help our poor rural area students especially, who can use this to study in the night. Thank you so much. God bless you.